Hey lovers, you're welcome back to the class and don't forget to still getting learning. So right now we're going to be crocheting on our slippers and here is my yarn. I'll be using our acrylic which is me cutting this multi-color yarn. That's what I'll be using. It is 5 plier and 100 gram. That's what I will be using. So I will grab my yarn and I will start crocheting on my slippers. You can use any yarn of your choice and any slippers of your choice. So right now, let's get started. Grab your yarn and your crochet pin and do exactly like I want to do right now. Just be looking at what I'm doing because there's no how I can explain this aspect. Can you see the way I'm holding my yarn? Can you see it? So you just pass it through. You will pass it under your slippers like this. Can you see it? You pass it under your slippers like this. Then you will now hold it. You will hold it from under. Can you see it? Hold it from under like this. Can you see it? Then you yarn over and you pull out a loop from that chain. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see what we have now? So I will now pass another one under my slippers. Then you just pass it under like this. Can you see what we have? Can you see it? Then you yarn over and you pull out a loop. You pull out a loop. We are doing a single crochet. That's what you are doing. You pass it through this, you pass it under this, then you pull out a loop like this. Can you see it? See it? Then you pass it through the chain. You take your crochet pin under this, then you pull out a loop like this. Can you see it? Then you yarn over and you pass it through the two loops. That's exactly what we are doing. We are doing our single crochet, just that we are crocheting it around our slippers. Can you see what we have? And that's exactly how you will continue this. Your crochet pin, you pass it through under this of our slippers. You pass it through under it, then you pull out a loop like this. Pull out a loop. Can you see now? Then you put through the two loops on your crochet pin. Can you see it? As you are doing it, you will be adjusting it. Just move it down. Move the thing down. It's movable. You can move it. Don't make it too tight because if it's too tight, you won't be able to move it to its normal position. So guys, just continue. Pass your crochet pin under slippers. You pull out a loop and you yarn over. You put through the two loops at once. That's exactly what we are doing. Just that. So guys, this is what we have now. Can you see it? Can you see the chain, the upper part of the slippers? Can you see it? It's giving already. So let's just continue this. Let's continue this. That's what you do it around this slippers. You will do it around it. Just continue, guys, and you put through the two loops at once. Can you see it? Pass your pin under the slippers, pull out a loop. Now we have two loops. Then you put through the two loops at once. That's very simple, guys. We are doing a single crochet around your slippers. Pass your pin under it. Then you pull out a loop. Then you pass yarn over and pass through the two loops at once. That's exactly what we are doing, guys. Can't you see that it's very simple? It's very simple, guys. And here are the chains that you'll be working with later. Can you see the chains we have now? Can you see the chains? Can you see it? So just move it down to its normal position. Just move it, and you will move it to the down part. After that, you will continue doing the same thing I've been doing from the beginning. Pass your pin under this and you pull out a loop. pass it under this, pull out a loop, then you yarn over and put through the two loops at once. It's not easy, but when you keep doing it, it will become very easy for you. When you keep practicing, it will be very easy for you. So you pass your pin under this, you pull out a loop, then you put through the two loops at once. Can you see that? It's very simple. Pass your pin under this, pull out a loop, then you yarn over and put through the two loops at once, guys. Can you see that it's very simple? So I will just adjust the position of this chain. I will adjust it right now. Can you see what I have now? Can you see that it's now in its normal position? So that's how I will continue. And guys, we are getting to the end of this part. So guys, just continue till you get to the end of this part. Can you see what we have? So just continue till you get to the middle. When you get to the middle, you will see exactly what I'm going to do. Just do it very well, make it full. Then this is exactly what we do when you get to the middle of this aspect. When you get to the middle, this is exactly what you will be doing. So guys, you just pass your pin across the other side like this. You pass your pin like this across the other side like this. Then you do the same thing you've been doing. That's what you just do. Then you shift it to its position. Shift it to its position and just continue, guys. Then you keep doing it till you get to the end of this other side. So guys, can you see what I have now? I'm at the end of this side. So it's time to cut your yarn. Just cut your yarn and you tighten it. You knot it. You tie it rather. Yes, you tie it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Now we are done with this aspect. In the next video, I'll be teaching you how to start the ruffle part. See you in the next class. Bye.